Hello everyone! Are you all ready to learn something new in our class today? I hope you are happy, excited, and I hope you all are keeping fine. So today our class will be on the letter F. Okay, on the letter F. I want all of you to listen to me carefully and also be active, energetic, and participate in everything that I do. Okay, so here the song will be on my friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. Okay, can you do that with me? So the first we will sing the song a little bit slow, a bit fast, and very fast. So I want you all to participate, okay? My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. Now I want you to sing fast with me, okay? Let's do it. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. How the air came out? Okay, so F is the sound of the letter A. The letter F. Really sorry, I thought we were still in the letter A. Today we are on the letter F. The sound of F is F. So I want you all to participate again with the song. Can you make the letter sound? Can I show you how? What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. This is the capital F. This is the lowercase f. You know how the F looks now. Let's make the letter F sound. F, 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 f. It's your turn. F, 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 f. Yes, the letter F sound is F. Very good. F is for frog. F is for farmer. F is for fire truck. F is for fish. F is for family. F is for football. You know some A words now. Let's make the letter F sound. F, 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 f. Yes, very good. The sound of the letter F is F. Very good. So now I want you to sing another song with sign language, the letter F. The letter F. F is for fish. Okay? F is for fish. And F is for frog. F is for farmer. F is for fire truck. F is for family. F is for football. And the F sound is F. Now let's sing another song, the letter F. The sign language letter F. F. I want all of you to participate, okay? So the first thing is F is for fish. F is for fish. And F is for fruit. F is for fruits. And F is for flashlight. F is for flashlights. F is for fork. F is for fork. F is for frog. F is for frog. F is for fan. F is for fan. F is for feather. F is for feather. And the sound of letter F is F. Let's all do the actions together. Are you ready? Yes. F is for fish, fish, fish. F is for fruit, fruit. F is for flashlight, flashlight, flashlight. F is for fork, fork. F is for frog, frog, frog. F is for fan, fan. F is for feather, feather, feather. F is for F. Very good. You have all learned the letter F very well, and I'm so happy. Okay, so I would like to see all of you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.